Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID and device readiness. This prevents sync errors. Open Settings, tap your name, and verify the email and payment methods tied to Apple Pay. Once done, go to Wallet and select the card you use for Apple Pay. This links the card's billing address to your purchases. Make sure Find My and iCloud are active so changes propagate. You're starting the actual change now, not prepping for later. So follow each screen prompt as you proceed. Now update the billing address for the card and the shipping address used in Apple Pay. These are separate entries. In Wallet, tap the card, choose the three-dot menu and edit billing address. Enter the correct street, city, postal code, and phone. Then open Settings Wallet and Apple Pay to adjust shipping address. Pick or add the address you want. Save each change and wait a moment for iCloud to sync across devices. This dual update prevents mismatches during checkout. Finish by double-checking the card issuer's records. Apple Pay reads the card's billing address from your bank, so correcting only Apple settings might not be enough. Once you've updated both sides, restart your device to force a sync and test with a small purchase or authorization. If the address still won't stick, contact your bank to update their records. Make sure to mention Apple Pay specifically. A final tip: if sync issues persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in after backing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.